Graham here at Pexip, and one of the things I get asked a lot of times is how do you get a WebRTC or browser-based video straight into a Skype meeting? We all know there is the Skype web app which you can use, but obviously that involves a download of sorts and some policies may not allow that. So let me show you how easy it is to do a WebRTC or ORTC, because I'm using Microsoft Edge today, into a Skype meeting. So I have my Skype client, and let's do a meet now so we can generate a Skype meeting. And once we're in here, let's start our video, and we'll use my PexMonkey over here. He's our stunt cameraman, and what we want to do is find our meeting ID, and this is obviously included when we do our Outlook invite. So it's this number here, so I can simply come into my browser. Again, you can customize the bottom of the Skype meeting if you want to say, if you're external, click on this link, and obviously you can have this as a landing page for users, and it's all customizable and branded. So wherever you see that the clouds and the icons, logos, colors, all that is completely brandable. So simply I just come in, type in my meeting ID, and I click connect. So it'll ask me which camera and mic I want to use, so I'll select my built-in camera, and I'll just expand the roster list here. Just so you can see the call is now coming in. So this will now route through Pexip Infinity and now join the meeting. Very, very simple for users to do this. So simply type in the Skype meeting ID and they're in the meeting. And things like sharing presentations. So if we go and share our desktop, we can do that. We can share our windows, so let's just show you that. And we can also share PowerPoint files. So we support the PowerPoint upload feature, which goes to the Office Online server. So again, that will enable that the PowerPoint slides are then converted to still images for the WebRTC users, or even if you're a VTC user in the meeting room. So then that will be displayed over here on the client side, and that will be rendered across. And then the other features you have are being able to have the full list of roster control as well. So being able to control the meeting and control the users. So within the roster list here, you have the ability to obviously make the guest a presenter if they were attendee, or you can obviously simply mute them and you can remove them from the meeting if you want. So you've got all these functions here that you're used to in the roster list as a Skype meeting, regardless if they are a VTC or a WebRTC user. So there you can see it in the page there. So let's just show you those controls here. So what you can do from a user perspective is right click simply and remove from meeting. You can spotlight them so they're full screen. So again, that's totally possible. And remove that spotlight. So all these tools are very, very simple for users to do. And what's also nice as well is if you've got instant messaging and they are on the browser, again, we support the messaging to and from the WebRTC browser and also from the Skype meeting. As you can see, that's come through, and I can message back, and two-way messaging works very simply. So nice, simple integration, and this is available on the Pexip Infinity platform, and it is very, very simple for users to get about doing their meetings. So again, I've got the full roster list control, so I can remove the browser participant from there. So any questions, drop me a line, either follow me on Twitter, Graham_Walsh, or drop me an email at graham@pexip.com. See you soon. Thanks.